I don't know if I've ever had one of these.
Well, now it's your moment.
This is a pivotal moment in slushy history.
First, I have something to ask you.
What?
Are you a candy bowl?
What?
Because you looking like a snack.
Did you just make that up?
No, I Googled it.
Oh, well, it's still good.
Thanks.
So we're gonna go to the cider mill, right?
What you want from me? What are you doing? I thought you were about to open it.
I mean,
It's too cold for all that.
come on, babe.
Come on, what?
Apple cider slushy.
I'd only had them like as a kid, but it's been a really long time.
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever had one of these.
Well, now it's your moment.
This is a pivotal moment in slushy history.
It's good.
That is really good. It's fun, babe.
Yes.
You like it? Are you in Zen?
I am absolutely in Zen. Look at all the ducks.
There's like all kinds of bamboo out here. Wow, I just tripped. You want a donut? This is donut 3. I could keep eating these ones for real.
Wait, yeah, that's your third one?
Yes, this is my third one. Is that going to be an issue?
It is going to be an issue if there's no donuts left when we get back. We're going to catch these hands.
I don't want those hands.
Are you wearing plaid too? Yeah, you are.
Plaid?
There's something about a cider mill that I feel like I see more people wearing plaid at once than in any other setting. It's a plaid place.
I didn't know such a place existed.
Well, look. It's a group of plaid folks. Isn't that...
I wonder if they plaid that.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I got a joke for you.
What?
What kind of car does a ghost drive?
A phantom.
That's close, but a Bugatti.
Oh my god. Wait, can I see my phone again? I'm gonna read you a brief list of Halloween pickup lines. These are the 50 best Halloween pickup lines. Wait, no, this is a picture of Lil Wayne.
Wheezy baby.
Wheezy baby.
Are you a ghost?
Why?
Because you look so good, it's scary. I looked into my crystal ball. It showed us having a great future.
Oh my god.
These are terrible.
These are
the 50 best
Halloween jokes?
Halloween pickup lines. I'd walk through 1,000 haunted houses for a chance to ask you out. It's so
That is
bad.
awful.
Ew. What is it? You can carve my pumpkin anytime. No!
Ew.
I hate that one.
I'm gonna carve your pumpkin. That sounds not right.
No,
at
it sounds
all.
not right at all. Isn't it scary? Your number isn't in my phone yet. Call me a vampire because I'd love to take a bite out of you.
That sounds like a threat. Yeah, you look like Robinson Crusoe the way you're grabbed that tree branch. Here.
Stop.
You're like pointing. What? Oh, you're filming my butt that whole time?
No, not the whole time. Just the ends. Your booty's popping.
It is popping in these jeans.
It is popping.
I got a Halloween booty because it's like a pumpkin.
This is for all y'all that were hating on the men's skinny jeans.
Yeah.
His booty's
exactly.
popping.